Hi, it's Joe from JB. Let's talk about nothing. Well, not nothing. I mean the new Nothing Phone 2A. Featuring powerful specs and a futuristic glyph interface, this unique and powerful device makes phones fun again. The first thing you'll notice about the design of the Nothing Phone 2A is its transparent back. This cool design gives you a sneak peek inside the device, as well as emphasizing the 3 lights that make up the glyph interface. Glyphs are Nothing Phone's most unique feature, offering you new ways to interact with your phone while it's face down. The first step is Flip to Glyph, which can put your phone on Do Not Disturb while still offering visual notifications while it's face down. You can set up unique glyph ringtones for each contact so you know exactly who's calling, or set timers that can be checked at a glance. There's also app integration with apps like Uber, showing you how far away your driver is without rudely checking your phone every 2 minutes. Looking under the transparent hood, you'll find some truly powerful hardware. Thanks to a mighty MediaTek processor and 8GB of RAM, the custom Android 14-based Nothing OS keeps your phone running fast and efficiently. Nothing Phone 2A has a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, which powers its extra bright 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display. It's also got 5G, an in-screen fingerprint scanner, and face unlock, and it comes in either 128 or 256GB models. These great specs are made even greater with Nothing's powerful cameras, featuring a 50MP main, 50MP ultra-wide, and 32MP front camera. You'll be snapping true-to-life shots every time. Finally, Nothing OS is built off Android 14 and offers a clean, fast, and endlessly customizable experience with powerful Android features. If you're looking for a powerful and fast device that offers a unique twist to the classic Android experience, swing by your local JB and ask about the Nothing Phone 2A.